So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to insert footnotes here on Google Docs. So if you want to go ahead and type in, I can't even spell footnotes, and you want to go ahead and insert them, go to the top left, press insert, then go down to where it says page elements, and then go down to the bottom to where it says footnote. You can also do this by pressing Command, Option, and F. Once you're here, you're going to have your footnote. So if you were to go ahead and just say example, just like that, we'll go ahead and just say example 1. Let's go footnote 2. So once again, insert page elements, footnote as an example, and you can go so on and so forth. And if you want to edit it, once again, double tap below. You can go ahead and double tap below and just kind of figure it out that way. But pretty simple. That is how you guys can insert footnotes here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.